In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change exit preference in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make Zoom fully quit when you close its window, which can help reduce background activity and avoid staying signed in when you think you've left the app. Start inside the Zoom desktop app. Look toward the lower left corner of the window for the small gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open Zoom's preferences. If your window is resized or you're on a smaller screen, the gear might be tucked into a menu, but it's always there in the bottom area of the main Zoom home screen. In the Settings window, go to the General section. This is where Zoom keeps a lot of core behavior controls. Within General, locate the Zoom Workplace app area. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the section that controls how the main app behaves on your computer, not in meetings. Take a second to read the options so you know what you're changing. This affects what happens when you close the app window during your day-to-day work. Find the Exit Preference setting. Here, choose Close the window to exit Zoom. With this selected, closing the Zoom window will actually shut down the application instead of minimizing it to the system tray or dock. That means no more lingering background icon and fewer surprises when your status looks active even though you thought you were done. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. On Windows, this prevents Zoom from staying in the system tray after you close the window. On macOS, it changes the behavior so using the Close button fully quits the app, rather than just closing the window while the app remains open. If you don't see the exact wording, make sure you're on the latest version of Zoom, since labels can shift with updates. Also, if you're on a managed work account, some settings might be controlled by your administrator, so the option could be grayed out. Once you've made your choice, you can simply close the settings window. Zoom saves it immediately. From now on, when you close Zoom's main window, the app will exit completely. That's all there is to it. You opened Settings, went to General in the Zoom Workplace app area, and selected Close the window to exit Zoom. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more predictable Zoom experience.